akaramba akapuhwa masimba akawandisa, zvinoreva kuti anogona kutaura neshamwari dzake kuti munongoziva kana ndine simba akomana, itai zvakati. Tine nyaya yekugwanda, hatisi kuziva kuti yakazivira sei, but public mari dzevanhu. Tine nyaya yezinari, mari dzakabiwa kuzinari, zvikabuda pachena kuti mari dzabiwa. Is it the influence yaminister? Hazvo zvinokonzera here kuti minister atore shamwari dzake adziise pazvigaro zvinokwanisa kusverera mari? So ini nyaya yangu yandoda kuti muinde inogadziriswa vakomana kuparliament inyaya yesimba raminista.
Mazita ndonzi Ziyera Zimkoti Mtare citizen comrade. I was going to add my voice on the issue around section 11.3 around the issues of condonation, where the minister or someone will come to parliament after people have already plundered or misused or abused the resources. Then they come and say, can parliament please condone our abuse or misuse of these resources? Then suddenly parliament just condones. So I was going to say, condonation is okay if these resources have been used in good will and in good faith. And the parliament has been told specifically in dollars and cents how much this money or these resources were used. Condone. But I'm also going to say further, I would be very happy if you, our parliamentarians, we confer you with more powers to even refuse to condone when these things are not clearly spelled out. So I was going to say, what happens if you refuse to condone? I've seen the American Congress refusing to take certain actions. Budget mirror. So what happens if we can confer you with those powers to refuse to condone when resources appear to have been abused on behalf of the people? And because you are standing for the people and you are for the people, you refuse to condone.
Tarisa kuitika mukati menyika yedu nenyaya dzefinancial management togara tinzwa nyaya dzemaleakages akawandisa, nyaya dzecorruption tikudzinzwa nguva nenguva. Idzodzo ngedzakutivhiringidza panyaya dzekufamba kwemasectors akasiyana siyana mukati menyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Maleakages aya takamirirawo sector yedu yevanhu vane madisabilities, tiri kuona kuti ari kuzotipa dambudziko panyaya yekuadresa maneeds, masocial safety nets ema-vulnerable groups. So isusu tiri kuda kuti omuview munyatso kuadreswa zviri holistic, kuti vanhu vanonge vaita ma-abuses aya kana kuti vanenge valikisawo ma-finances vange vaine murango chaiwo wakati womei unozoita kuti vachada kuzopindawo pamberi vachida kuzoitawo the same act vange vachizotya kunge vachiita izvozvo izvo. Also tiri kuona kuti pane administration iri kudya mari yakawanda yerevenue iri kupinda. Tikazvitarisa kanyika kedu tinokarenga sekalow income country, but tikaona motikari dzatinofamba nadzo kunauri kuti batira mapublic finances edu zvinotaura otherwise. So tinoda kuti ipapapo pamanagedwo zvakanaka. Of course tinoziva kuti pamwe zviri kuitirwa kuti ma4x4 adrese nyaya yedu yemaroads edu akatobva atonzi state of disaster. Pamwe ndo zviri kuitirwa kuti pange paine motikari dzakadaro dzinodhura, but izvozvo zvinova zvatipushawo zvakare kuti ngativei tichiwane a consistent way yekumanejawo mapublic resources edu seinfrastructure iyoyo, kuti zvisazvinge zvichizotidhurira zvakanyanyisa munguva yakadai kuti tinge tichizozvideclara tega a state of disaster. Also tiri kuona kuti pane pamaleakages ipapa tiri kuona kuti vanhu vatiri kuisa mumahofisi, mapublic offices, tikatarisa magovernment workers edu mazhinji acho mari dzavari kutambira dzepastep of at datum line. Mari dzavari kuchargwa again nemapublic institutions, malocal authorities, handidzo mari dzavari kuena. Saka munhu iyeye kana ari takamuisa panotoreka, obvious takutoadresa nyaya yemaleakages. So we need to address nyaya yema-income yema-public servants zedu, so that we can actually address the issue of leakages as well. Tichisa ma-penalties akatiomararei. Then issue yekuti this bill should also holistically address nyaya ye-investment. Tikona ma-policy inconsistencies akati one day yekuti mamwe acho pano investor wedu ambowina, pano investor wedu abva anyura.
Contribution yangu yandiri kupa ndeyekuti mu-public accounts priority first. Pane zvinhu zvinometa zvinofana kubatsira vanhu veruzhinji. Ngatipe a very good example. Let's hope I'm very safe on this. Zvipatara zvema-ambulances, and I'm not saying kutengera chief motor afana kutengerwa, but priority at that particular time. Ezvi tiri kuhaya ma-Honda Fit kuti tiende kuhospital kuti tinorapa. Tiri kuhaya ma-Toyota Wish kuti mukadzi anozvara kuhospital, and someone is driving an Isuzu, a D-Tech for that matter. Priority. Tikakwanisa kuita priority pa public accounts zedu, I think zvedu zvinotifambira. Tisangota vanhu kungotaura chete kuti maroads edu are in a state of disaster. Toperera ipapo.
Seems like nyika yedu we have an appetite to borrow, whereas we have many resources that we can leverage on. But I think the problem is those who are responsible in borrowing for the public, they are borrowing for their own interest and without the consent of the public. Tinogara munomu to discuss how to pay our debt, but we have never sat down to discuss how we should borrow and for what reasons. There are a lot of powers they could borrow on our behalf. And up to this day, we don't even know benefit in what sense. It becomes a problem. And lastly, I would like to say, if we are to take this discussion seriously, it means our voices are dragged under the carpet. No one, Soro, should have one say over what we all say here. I think we should defend us as our parliamentarians, because if you don't, this is all a joke.
We request as citizens that the PFM legislation provides for we have got investors in our country who are bringing in revenue in various forms. And so I would like for it to be legislated that there is a guaranteed amount of plowbacks to the communities. Yes, we do acknowledge the issue of devolution and the 5% allocation towards local authorities and so forth. But I think that citizens would benefit much from additional resources that would come directly from investors operating in various communities. This may not be enough compensation, but I think it would bring a lot of satisfaction to citizens who are suffering directly from the social, economic, environmental excesses of extractive industry, mining included, agriculture included, fisheries and so forth. These activities all leave some environmental harm and some social harm in the areas in which they are carried out. Therefore, given that we no longer have that provision which mandated it for especially mining companies to ensure that there is activities that created the community share ownership trust, that is no longer there to cushion us as citizens. And I personally feel that was a huge drawback from our legislation to do away with that, because we had something that covered our backs and that ensured that communities would get something
after their land has been tilled, after their land has been degraded, their trees cut down and everything. But now we have nothing. So maybe this can also be an opportunity for Parliament to legislate that there be some form of plowback, or if it cannot be done directly by these companies, maybe let's have a certain percentages from royalties received by Treasury to be plowed back to the communities where gold is coming from, where diamond is coming from, where coal is coming from, where cotton is coming from, down in Gokwe there. Then that way, these communities can also enjoy and have some form of development from public finance management. That's my submission. Thank you.
It's properly regulated in terms of how they are allocated. We know from the constitution that local authorities are guaranteed 5%. But you realize that when these monies are disbursed, we as a local authority are given 5% from the initial projection. But when you read the Minister of Finance statistical annual report, you realize that perhaps sometimes, in fact most times, central government would have collected more than what they disbursed. So we would need provisions that regulate how these funds are disbursed and that deal with reconciliations of the money that are actually collected and those that are actually